digital wasteland. You were shredding in the neon light. It was a coin lost in the system's maze. A vision passing for freedom was my way to survive. The crash, the dupes, they burn it all away. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. I'll never trust the system, judging to hear the lies. I think you're saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind, keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from this night. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? I want your key tonight. Metal minds control what we believe. Crypto kings laugh from their golden thrones. We built this cage, now we're all alone. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. Whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Empty factories rust just like our dreams. Jobs deleted by mechanical machines. Inflation's a fire that eats what we hold. Digital diamonds can't buy back our souls. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. AI whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Flirt with the fire of progress we made. Bought it back at the cost of our fate. No touch feels real, no voice sounds true. The future's here, but it ain't for you. We scream for freedom, sold for a bite. Fingers type wars, no one wants to fight. Robots laugh beneath synthetic skies. We're born as ghosts in this digital lie. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. AI whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone.
right. Welcome back to the craziest chaotic show on YouTube. Oh my god, I can't do this. It is Wednesday, and yes, I am the Crypto Otaku. Here for another round of chaos with you guys. How you guys doing in the chat? Let's go. Otaku, oh my god, it's the red man. Nebs is here. How's it going, Nebs? Good evening. Nebs is here. Strawberry Dragons, Crypto Quint, of course, our favorite flavor of dragon, strawberry. We got Ben Lawrence, we got Gamma Goddess. Good evening, Otaku and Chaos family. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Jeez. I cannot catch up with the chat anymore. I am totally lost. Ben Lawrence says, you guys are talking about baby girls and crypto toes? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay. Easy. What the hell? Today is green, and I don't know what to do in life. We're going to talk about that. Why is today green, guys? Well, because of the worm moon. Oh, jeez, yes, the worm moon. Oh man, I feel as high as that moon too. Nick Lovett, how's it going? Sup peeps? It is the state of the art alt season. I love green candles. Yes, we all do love them green candles, especially when you're not struggling in the morning at work, right? Hanging out at work, and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna go grab a pizza for lunch, and then by the time you get your pizza, you're like, oh crap, the move already happened. I wasn't looking at my phone. Yeah, some of those people were out there today, and they got wrecked pretty hard. 72,700 right now on Bitcoin. We are looking at the order books chippity chop. Let's get on in here. All right. Let's see what's going on there over here. Looking at the overall trading volume right now, it's 29.7 billion against a 26.6 billion on inflows. They've lost a lot. They lost a little bit now. They lost a bit more pushback. But damn, we almost got to $30 billion in trading volume today for the bulls. Let's click on the thing that's right there. Okay, right there. There you go. Let's zoom on in and see what else we got going on tonight. Well, we're starting to build up these key areas here right around about 3 to 6 hours ago. I would say most of these are, of course, 6 to 12 hours here on the weekly. Other than that, we've been pretty much destroying everything that the bears had in store for us between 70k and 75,000. As I talked about earlier here on my channel, we destroyed pretty much all of this today, and the only thing remaining on the heat map is, of course, everything that's below, which of course is going to send the price higher due to demand. Yeah, or you know what? Maybe we can smash through everything, and all the exchanges get everything they want. They want the longs destroyed. They want the shorts destroyed. Reset the market, and then yeah, play the game again. They could dump us as well by just selling off in tandem like they did last time, all coordinated. Like, okay. You following along? I'm losing my mind, guys.
What are you, stupid?
All right. So yes, we are still stuck in a key area. 73,000 on Bitcoin. We pretty much followed this all day. It was kind of hard to get off today as well. I walked right into that one.
What are you, stupid?
Yes, it was hard to get to leave my live stream today. Oh, gee, that's funny. 72,300 right now on Bitcoin. 7227. Geez, 727. And we're still trying to fight back resistance. What's really exciting though is that we actually came down and did the exact thing I said you guys we would do, right on top of the freaking channel. It's crazy. It played out perfectly. Took a little longer though, but that was the idea, of course, we had this morning before we left. Coming back into the worm moon. Yes, thankfully the worm moon was here for us. Maybe if we can keep this range, we can reclaim 73. Bounce a little bit longer here before we first start to retest the way out at about 75 flat. It's gonna be about 75 flat right down here. So yeah, we're waiting for that whole entire scenario to play out. Usually, last time it took about 6 weeks. No, too many weeks. took about 3.5 weeks. 3.5 weeks. So 25 days, right? So hopefully this time it won't take that long. But as of right now, it does not look like the bottom is anywhere. It isn't even seen. We need a super black swan event to bring us down to those areas again. I just feel like this is it, guys. They've been playing with our heartstrings for too long. Too long. All right. That's enough I have to say about that. Oh, God. Oh, shit. All right, so that's what's going on with Bitcoin's current price action. Let me get back over here to U.S. national debt, sitting at currently at $38,842,000,000,000. Can't stop, won't stop printing that money. The biggest thing we're looking on here on Polymarket today is going to be probably just the Clarity Act, seeing about a 71% chance of, we getting that bill before the end of the year. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 37 today in fear for the U.S. Stock market, and crypto fear and greed at about a 22. What the hell?
What are you, stupid?
This is insane. What?
We're gonna win so much.
I have not seen that number in a long time, guys. A long time. Wow. I feel like I'm seeing a mirage. This is what happens. This is what happens. Yes, it looks like we're sitting at 22 in extreme fear right now. I'm gonna refresh it. Not that it probably will matter, but I'm in disbelief. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Well, with the Dixie, it looks like it's still hanging out around 97 and was it 8? Yeah, 98.7. Jeez, I'm dyslexic tonight. 98.7 right now on the Dixie. 98.7. What was the highest we've seen in the past few days? It was 99.5. Yeah, 99.5. Damn, it's just too high in my opinion, for my liking anyway. And it makes no sense. The Doomer's still buying the Doomer paper. We'll get to burning some of that soon. Okay, let's see what else is going on right now on crypto bubbles. What the biggest opportunities for today are. Let's take a look. We're looking at the daily. Everything is up an average of like 4 or 5% now, down to about 3. When we opened today, it was about 4 or 5%. Top 200, they're looking at about 3%. And coins are blowing up on my desk. Okay. Looks like we just got a big move out of Zbeck. That just happened right now. Let's go over there and take a look. Get jeez, thrown off by my oh my God, where's my damn chart? Oh my God. All right. Sitting right now at 2022. Let's go. Zbeck breaking out right now. This is why you got alerts set up, guys. Alright, so yeah, we're looking at a little bit higher possibly. It did get stuck here many times before. It really has to break out of this range. Oh my God. It only broke out once in the past month. Only broke out once, and it didn't get very far either. 2028, but everything of course rallying. It's a different environment now today than it was around this time last week. All right, we'll see. Jumping back into the chat for a minute. Tito's and Cheetos are for Wednesdays, says Ben. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheetos are for Wednesdays. Tito's and Cheetos. Holy crap. All right, make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay. You guys are nuts. I can't keep up with you anymore. C story is coming in. Wait for it. Oh, really? I'll believe when I see it. I haven't seen Cliff in a minute. Hope he's doing all right. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, we're looking at the weekly now. Yes, the weekly. Guys in the chat are driving me crazy. Pippin at 50% off. Pippin. I can't even keep it straight anymore, guys. Oh, Jesus. One second. Tito's and Cheetos, and oh my God, I can't, dude. It's too much. You knocked me off there, man. I can't. I'm gonna have to ignore the chat for a minute. This is too much. It's so stupid, too. Cheetos and Tito's. Okay. Getting back to it. We're looking for opportunities here, guys. Opportunities. Get your head in the game. Jesus. Looking at the top 100 right now. The only thing right now on the weekly is Pippin and Kite. You guys, of course, know Pippin has been traded to death here lately. Looking at the monthly, we're looking for at least 30s and 40s. And there's nothing 30 or 40% off right now. So again, the stores are closed. BitGet's token is 29.3. That's the closest we have to a 30% off on the monthly. I had the same reaction this morning too, so I'm not totally surprised. Oh boy. Yeah. Easy coming in with a $2 super chat. Feed to fire. Feed the fire. Yes, feed the fire.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
All of the curve, all of it. If I can get you to do the thing with me.
What's about
Everything burns. Please lend me your currencies. Oh my God. Oh jeez. All right. That one, another one bites the dust, as they say. Thank you so much, Easy. Geez, yes, for feeding the fire. We got Ben Lawrence says magic beans and monorails are back on the menu, boys. Really? What coin did we pop off today? I took some Aztec, actually. Yes, you guys are part of the you know, the Patreon. It's only $15 a month for, of course, our community. You would have been in on these trades, and I did get 20% up on Aztec move today, and just got out with my cash, right? The cash. The reason why we're doing this, of course, to make some money in our space. But that one popped off today for me. There's a few others, of course, that have popped up last week that made us tons of money. We got setups going on right now on our Patreon. So don't miss out, guys. It's only $15 a month to hang out with the crypto crew. All right. Let's get back to the thing. Is there anything remaining that's oversold right now that we can actually get into that's still got some legs? Not totally sold off here on the day. On the weekly, I'm just not feeling anything, guys. On the monthly, we got Ohm. If you want to get back into no, you don't. Actually, that's wrong. That's wrong, because they just had a new token or something like that come out. I mean, they did a merger or something. I don't know. This project's just been pushed to death. I think their other project went up into the top 100 now, or top 200 or 100. Come on, 100. You don't see it anymore. But yeah, Om's back on the I guess the docket again, guys. What's up on the monthly here? Golem's down 37%. Starknet's down 27%. Optimism at Sentient. I don't feel any of these other than IP. It's the only thing I've been loading up on here. It's the most oversold right now on the monthly, outside of Golem and OP, of course. I'm not feeling anything, guys. Right now, if you're not all deployed, maybe looking at DCing a little bit more, because it looks like everything is still not on sale. Not on sale like it used to be. All right. Let's continue on. What do we got? The market cap dominance for Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, the closest we gotten to 60% in such a long time. It feels like 2 months. It's probably only been 2 months. But anyway, guys, Michael Salro will tell you the importance of it.
This entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit, ridiculous, stupid, right? Like, it's stupid. It's not 60% dominant.
It is 60% dominant, and when he was talking about that, he meant it should be like 90, 95, 99, all this other stuff. The way, of course, Michael Saylor brings that one out. Let's see what else is going on. The total market cap right now sitting at $2.46 trillion. $2.46 trillion. We've got the top 10, nothing really moving except for XRP and Binance exchanging blows, and the rest, of course, is history down here, with World Liberty Financial still holding the gate against all the other assets that used to be, of course, within that frame. We had, of course, Avalanche, Litecoin, the greats like Hedera and Sui. Even Shiba Inu was in the top 20 not too long ago. I'm just reminiscing now, guys.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Moving on. It's gonna be a fun Wednesday, guys. Wacky Wednesday. All right. We have right now, of course, the opportunity for you to buy Bitcoin before it's all gone. As we roll on over for another low, 2.47 million, the closest we've ever been to the lowest amount on exchanges. Even after all of this touty stress, the first people calling for the end of days and Bitcoin going to 25,000 and everything else, while there's still less on exchanges. I can't. I just too much.
Stupid.
Yes. All right, don't forget to get a piece of the pie before it's all gone. Jesus. Yep, another record low is in our eyesight. It's in our sights. Bitcoin still is in, Bitcoin is dead on the rainbow chart. Top 10 assets in the world, Bitcoin's not one of them, sitting at number 13. Gold and silver leading the way, 36 to 4.7 trillion, respectively. We got Eric Trump and all the things. If you guys didn't catch this, we'll catch you up on it. We did mention it just briefly this morning. All right, let's see what else is going on in the chat before I jump right back into the news. Face toe fire. Jesus. Braveheart, make freedom. Coming in with a $2 super chat. Silver markets. You do know the man loves his silver. Silver market makers trying to scare away your DCA. Yep, tell it like it is. They're brave. Yes, they are. They don't want you to have any piece of any of the pie, gold, silver, or Bitcoin. Yeah, let's get into some of the news. You guys didn't hear Eric Trump, World Liberty co-founder, calls banks anti-American over the stablecoin fight. The World Liberty Financial co-founder and president's son posted about the ongoing negotiations on stablecoin yield on Wednesday. And Eric Trump, son of course, U.S. Donald Trump, co-founder of the firm Liberty Financial, went to a banking industry on Tuesday over the opposition to allow stablecoin yield in crypto market structure legislation. Big banks think that JP Morgan Chase of America, Wells Fargo, etc. are lobbying overtime to block Americans from getting higher yields on their savings while trying to block the rewards or perks from being given to customers. He said on a post on X that the site formerly known as Twitter, really, we're going to include that every single thing. And that's pretty much it. The ABA, the lobbyists are spending millions to try to ban and restrict these yields via bills like the Clarity Act, crying fairness and using the words like stability. It's in the opposition, I assume. When it's really about protecting the low rate monopoly and preventing the deposit fight. This is anti-retail and anti-consumer and straight up anti-American, he said. Yes, World Liberty Financial, the company that you co-founded, issues on the stablecoin USD1. The World Liberty umbrella is also in the process of seeking a charter through the Office of Comptroller Computerrency. Trump has shared his grievances with the banks over the past year, saying that the multiple conferences that they banked him, of course, and his family. And we just heard that entire thing over on World Liberty Financial's thing. World Liberty Fi's conference they had just month ago. All right, let's get more into something else. Crypto bulls slam Ray Dalio's tired narratives and defenses of Bitcoin's future. This is coming back from what he said last week. We talked about that on Monday. Of him, of course, basically stating that Bitcoin should have been utilized already and it's lost its safe haven asset status. Anyway, so this is what the crypto bulls are slamming Ray Dalio on his tired narratives to the defense of Bitcoin's future. It's kind of weird too because Ray Dalio has gone back and forth on Bitcoin 2 or 3 times in liking, of course, and then disliking back and forth. Experts push back on the billionaire hedge fund manager Ray Dalio's warning of Bitcoin lacking gold's qualities and risks from surveillance, quantum computing, and a lack of central bank buying. Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, said in a recent podcast that Bitcoin lacks gold's qualities, citing intransparency, a lack of central bank backing, and quantum computing risks. Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan said these risks are exactly why Bitcoin is only 4% the size of gold's market cap, and the long-term investors are betting that those will be solved in time. Galaxy Alex Thornton's VanEck Matthew Siegel countered Dalio's critique, saying that the Bitcoin's adoption and utility continue to grow while quantum risks are being addressed. All right, so that is the argument I'm assuming is just the lack of knowledge from Ray Dalio. It's hardly anything at all. Yeah, obviously he's not keeping up with the trends with Bitcoin and its quantum solutions with the dev team. Anything else we can take away from this? It's pretty self-explanatory to me. All right, moving on. How this week rout in Korean stocks might have triggered crypto surge higher. Korea's tech heavy Kospi has plunged 20% in the last 2 trading sessions, potentially pushing the country's fast money chasing traders back into crypto. Bitcoin surged above 73,000 on Wednesday, follows a 20% tumble in the South Korean stock market that has been in the last 2 days. The plunge follows a massive retail-driven rally that has pushed the Kospi higher by nearly 180% since April 2025. The so-called kimchi premium remains near 1%, suggesting crypto trading activity has increased, but demand has not reached the speculative extremes. A long time since we talked about the kimchi premium on Bitcoin. on these Korean exchanges. All right, so South Korea's stock market suffered one of the most fastest declines in history this week, with the Kospi falling about 20% in trading sessions. Geopolitical tensions have, for the moment, shattered what might be termed a speculative bubble in the popular AI-related names. The rapid decline followed months of aggressive buying by retail investors had sent Kospi, that dominated by Samsung and SK Hynix, higher by nearly 180% in the past in about 10 months. The timing has drawn attention to activity in Korea's South Korea's crypto markets, where trading volumes have begun to climb again. South Korea is one of the few markets that has retail traders play a major role in both the equities and digital assets. Analysts have long observed that the local traders often rotate between speculative markets rather than existing risk assets entirely. All right, so in November, coin analysis described what they dubbed as the Great Korean Pivot, noting that trading volumes on domestic crypto exchanges fell as retail traders moved into technology stocks tied to artificial intelligence. All right, so as of right now, retail signs are moderate. While crypto trading volumes have moved higher to the moment, at least activity does not yet resemble the frenzied speculative surges seen in earlier Korean market cycles. One key metric is the Kimchi premium, which measures the difference between Bitcoin's prices in Korean exchanges versus the global markets. All right, that's pretty much just a recap of what I just said earlier. All right, let's see what else we got going on. The news is starting to slow down, guys. It was exciting the last 2 days, though. Brian Armstrong met with Trump before the president slammed banks over the crypto bill. If you guys didn't hear about this, we mentioned it last night. We didn't go into too much detail, though. But allegedly, Brian Armstrong, of course, met with Trump before Trump went on Truth Social and was starting to, of course, slam the banking committee and the U.S. senators for not, of course, getting this bill done. President Donald Trump met privately with CEO Brian Armstrong shortly before publicly accusing the banks of trying to undermine the Pro-Crypto Genius Act and urging passage of the Clarity Act. U.S. President Donald Trump and Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong met behind closed doors shortly before the president said bankers are trying to undermine the Genius Act in the Truth Social post. CoinDesk confirmed the U.S. needs to get market structure done ASAP. Americans should earn more money on their money. And Trump said in the post on Tuesday, the banks are hitting record profits, and we are not going to allow them to undermine the powerful crypto agenda that we have going up in China and other countries if we don't get this Clarity Act taken care of. It's always something narrative driven. It's always something narrative driven. Always forever. Always and forever with crypto. Politico first responded to the meeting in Armstrong and Trump. Afterward, the president's publicly backed Coinbase position in ongoing lobbyist clash with the banks has derailed the major cryptocurrency bill. The news outlet cited that two people with the knowledge of the matter have granted anonymity to discuss the closed-door manner. As the source of the meeting between the Trump and Armstrong, it is also said it is unclear what both discussed during the meeting. However, he reiterated that it came just before Trump wrote on social media the banks need to make a good deal with the crypto industry in order to advance the digital asset legislation that he has stalled on Capitol Hill. The White House and Coinbase have not responded to the CoinDesk, of course, at this time. Yada, yada, yada. So that's as far as we have gotten with any, leaks on what there was said in that meeting. Is anyone's guess. I would assume it has something to do with conforming to some sort of agreement with, the banks. Oh, boy. No, it's like never going to end, guys. It's never going to end. Bitcoin right now sitting at, jeez, I lost my chart. $72,893. That's like, you don't want to blink, guys. That moon might come down there. Send it back up again. All right, let's get back to it. XRP surges as Trump pushes crypto reform. Ripple CEO welcomes the move. XRP surges towards the upper edge of the trading range of bullish momentum. Builds for political pressure for pro-crypto legislation and intensifies, of course, putting the token back in focus with the other traders watching a potential breakout. What a bunch of hogwash. Oh my God. From a short-term chart perspective, the XRP structure shows a transition of the consolidation into expansion. This is such a ridiculous piece. Just to go over one's coin. breakdown on it. That's ridiculous. Let's just look at the chart real quick and see if it looks anything different like anything else. This shit kills me. All right, this XRP versus Bitcoin. see a difference? A little bit in the structure, but not much. Obviously, we're moving more money around with one coin than the other, but yeah, that's Ethereum's right there on Bitcoin. Yeah, there's Ethereum on top of XRP. Same thing, of course. All right, so yeah, there's your TA. Just follow Bitcoin. I need to read this crap. All right. I'm feeling some kind of way tonight, guys. All right, Trump sends a pro-Bitcoin Fed chair nomination to the Senate. The U.S. president makes it official after previously announcing to pick Kevin Warsh to replace Fed Chair Jerome Powell in January 30th social media post. So I guess that we're finally getting on with, I guess, the chosen Fed governor. This is the last step in the approval process, I'm assuming. The U.S. Senate will soon vote on Donald Trump's nomination to head the U.S. Federal Reserve after the presidential picked Kevin Warsh, who has previously expressed pro-Bitcoin views, or to replace Fed Chair Jerome Powell. In a Wednesday notice, the White House said that Trump had sent Warsh's nomination to the Senate to be the chair of the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve for a term of 4 years. And as a federal governor for 14 years, the president had previously taken to social media to announce Warsh was his pick to replace Powell, whose term as the chair ends in May, but may stay as Fed president governor until 2028. So he's going to see the rest of the run with us, guys. Warsh serves as Fed governor under former U.S. Presidents George W. Bush and Barack Obama from 2006 to 2011. If you guys aren't familiar with Warsh's history, I mean, do we have to really go through all this again? Really? I don't think so. I think we're good. CFTC still lacks nominations for leadership. We also have, although Trump officially announced his picks for Fed chair, as of Wednesday, the president has not yet sent any additional nominations to the Senate staff of the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. Michael Slegg, who was also confirmed CFTC chair in December, remains the sole leader of the financial regulator, which normally has 5 commissioners. The agency is expected to have additional oversight and regulatory power over the digital assets that should a market structure bill moving through the Senate become law. I wonder if they ever, I mean, the only thing they have 5 commissioners, a lot of that's been taken over by AI and they're restructuring. It's very ominous the way they've worded that. I don't know. I'm curious how much government is being replaced by AI already. All right. Peter Thiel. Why is Peter Thiel? Why Peter Thiel's Founders Fund walked away from the Ethereum Treasury bet. Founders Fund exit for ETHZilla highlights volatility, balance sheet strain of the challenges of facing public Ethereum Treasury strategies. Yeah, I wonder. He kind of looks like Jim Carrey there. Like, what the hell?
What are you, stupid?
I don't know. Just in the corner of my eye, maybe. Yeah. Why? So why? Jesus. Why is he? Yeah. I guess dissing Fun Strats Tomsley's strategies. Basically, he's like, I think it's a bad idea now. We shouldn't do this. All right, let's find out. Founders Fund fully exited the ETHZilla after previously holding 7.5% stake. The SEC filings show that Peter Thiel-linked entities had reduced their ownership by 0 by the end of 2025, signaling a decisive retreat for the Ethereum-focused public treasury strategy. ETHZilla's pivot from biotech into Ethereum treasury strategy was aggressive after raising $425 million and later seeking $350 million through convertible bonds. A company accumulated about over 100,000 Ethereum, positioning itself as a leveraged equity proxy to Ethereum exposure. Debt-driven models for ETHZilla's sale. Peter Thiel, renowned contrarian billionaire investor, has also co-founded PayPal, Palantir, has a long history of bold, unconventional bets. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing revealed that Thiel-linked Founders Fund entities exited ETHZilla after disclosing a 7.5% stake in 2025. All right, get on with it. Why are they? I'm just curious as to why they're leaving. Jesus. All right. The idea behind the endeavor was straightforward: secure funding, buy and hold Ethereum, generate potential returns through staking or DeFi activities, offering public shareholders leverage to exposure to Ethereum's growth. However, the strategy was faced significant challenges as the market conditions deteriorated. I guess they just got weak hands, man. it's just got weak hands. Not long after Thiel's Founders Fund reduced its ownership to Thiel to zero, fully exiting its position by 2025, according to the SEC filings. I don't really need to see the filings. Okay. All right. I'm over it. There's hardly any news tonight, guys. Bitcoin price surges as a crypto exchange Kraken gains access to Federal Reserve key payment system. If you guys haven't heard about this, this also was making the news and headlines yesterday, and of course continuing into today, with Kraken, of course, now being approved to be a digital bank, and also having access to these Fed accounts. Cool beans. Cool beans. If you guys want to browse our merch store, the merch store is available to you after the show. Jeez. If you like any piece of course, my merch or any suggestions, let me know in the chat. All right. Let's see what else is going on over on X. Doing some doom scrolling, man. Doing some doom scrolling tonight. Again, as we usually do. You gotta find the chaos, man. Especially when the news is kind of like lackluster like this. If Netflix made a documentary about Michael Saylor.
Mike Saylor's brother. Growing up, Mike was always an interesting kid.
This entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit.
In 2020, Mr. Saylor let me know that his organization, MicroStrategy, would be going all in on Bitcoin. I said to him, sir, respectfully, are you nuts?
A bank in cyberspace.
Senor Saylor, he pay me in Bitcoin. My family is starving. How do I buy food with Bitcoin?
People came to the United States for two things, property and freedom. And Bitcoin represents property and freedom to 8 billion people.
I was the athlete of the family. Dad used to always say, Chris is the best sailor at baseball. And then Mike would ask him, well, who's the second best? And Dad would tell him over and over again, there is no second best. I think that really affected him.
There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset.
I cannot eat Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no taco.
What if we tried to call him right now?
Call him right now?
Yeah.
We can try.
It's big, no risk.
Hey, Mike?
Yeah.
Mike, it's Chris, your brother.
Buy the dip.
Mike, how are you? I haven't heard from you in so long. How are you?
Invest in Bitcoin.
Yeah, Mike, I know I should buy Bitcoin. I know, but how are you? How are you doing? The family hasn't heard from... I'm sorry.
Oh, yep. That's Saylor. A little tidbit of Saylor. I've been idolizing him for way too long. He doesn't have a family. He's a single man. So if you guys want, he's open. I don't think you're able to slide past his autism though. All right. He's a zero guy, a man kind of guy, girl kind of guy. Oh my god. I think he's just asexual or he doesn't just want to commit. It's either one of those two. It keeps his love life private. I don't know. I've heard people say that they've seen him with women. I've never seen him with a woman. And I've been watching this man for 6 years like a hawk. All right. Anyway, got a little sidetracked there with Michael Saylor and some weird other things. Oh god, these are some sort of limbless soft robots that crawl through filled chambers. Okay, I don't know. All right, Morgan Stanley is now making its Bitcoin movie. Shut up. Shut up. Morgan Stanley just named Coinbase and BNY Mellon as custodians for its proposed Morgan Stanley Bitcoin Trust. Coinbase custody would hold the Bitcoin wallet, and BNY Mellon would handle administration and cash services. If approved, the ETF would hold Bitcoin directly, and most of its assets are kept in cold storage. It's another signal that these things are where they're heading. Wall Street isn't just trading Bitcoin anymore; it's building the infrastructure around it. And BNY Mellon, I'll never forget when that guy came in with the proposal to veto the original Clarity Act in its original form back in 2024. And freaking they dropped that damn thing, and they said to Patrick McHenry, who was the the floor whatever leader or whatever, basically said to him, why should I allow you to veto this for BNY Mellon? like what? BNY Mellon was one of the chosen ones against for first custodying these assets. It was pretty much dropped in the middle of court, in the middle of the Senate floor. It was crazy. That was in 2024. Oh, there was a lot of drama back then. I don't remember so much drama last year though. There was a lot more back in 23, 24 with Gary Gensler. All right. What the hell? Switch to paper straw to save Earth. Yes. Yep, you switch to paper straws, the whole world just crumbles. Oh my god. Oh man, psyop anime. You know what? It's so cool that these exist. I mean, I was kind of doing my own psyop thing with my show, but okay. They have AI for that now. I don't need to just repurpose and chop up old clips like I do in here. Eric Trump says, let me make this very clear. 3 hours ago, big banks think JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America, Wells Fargo are lobbying overtime to block Americans from getting higher yields on their savings, while they're trying to block any rewards or perks from being given to customers. These banks and others pay rock bottom rates for standard savings, often 0.01%, 0.05% APY, even as the Fed pays them 4% or more. This is a massive spread, fuels record profits, and with almost none passed back to their customers every day, depositors. Today, the banks are desperately, oh my gosh, desperately targeting crypto stablecoins, while platforms plan to offer 4 to 5% yields on rewards. The ABA and other lobbyists are spending millions to try to ban and restrict these yields via the bills like the Clarity Act, crying fairness and using words like stability when it's really about protecting those low rate monopoly and preventing deposit flight. This is anti-retail and anti-consumer and the straight up anti-American. Next time you see these banks dropping billions into a shiny new Midtown Manhattan HQ, you know exactly where their money comes from, the non-existent interest rate they pay you. Unfortunately, the big banks are losing this fight as customers wake up to the games. Damn, damn. I mean, I feel him, man. It's crazy. I'm not a big fan of Trump and his family, but every time I hear more and more about Eric Trump, he has really enlightened me since 2024 when he was touring with his dad with the Bitcoin convention. It's crazy. That's crazy. I really felt this. It's nuts. But yeah, 45% yields is exactly the stuff I've been talking about. It's like we're taking advantage of course, with these bank accounts that pay you nothing, of course, for them to gain yields off of you. Yeah, it's disgusting. All right, Eric. Get me all riled up. Let's see. Anything else going on crypto Twitter today? You're not really realizing how big this is. Read this slowly. The Federal Reserve just gave a crypto exchange direct access to its core payment system. Of course, we're still talking about Kraken. It did. Oh my God. Maybe they're going to choose Kraken. The U.S. government's going to choose Kraken to issue its own stablecoin. The Federal Reserve. I mean, it's going to be hilarious if something like this actually does pop off. Oh my God. All right. Tom Lee and Sailor summoning the V-shaped recovery. There it is. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Let's click and find out. 72,800 still chopping sideways, still holding support at the top of our channel. At 72,000 and some change. All right. I think we're exhausted crypto Twitter. I don't think there's any more actual news coming out of there tonight. All right, let's get back to the trends now. Of course, showing you the normies search history as we do every single night. And let's see what they're looking up today. Yeah, it's probably the same normie kind of stuff. Typically the normies only look for 3 things: sports, video games, and celebrities. Let's see what they're looking up today. Give them a grade. It's gotta be an F. Okay, Lou Holtz. I don't know who that is. Dan Crenshaw. Thunder versus Knicks. Sports. Mormons love their sports. Ecuador. Texas Senate primary election results. That actually was 2 days in a row now, so I had to give them credit on that. Paying attention a little bit there. Apple MacBook Pro Neo. That's the 2nd day in a row for that. Yes, a lot more sports and things, and that's about it for the normies today. I only have about one thing of interest at all, and that's just a little bit of political news in that region only. So I'm gonna give them an F+. Screw it. I'll be nice today.
What are you, stupid?
I gotta curve it, man. They can't get any more than like 5 in a day. I think I've ever witnessed. I had to curve it really hard that day too. Oh my God. All right, Bitcoin. Where are we looking at over the last 7 days? All right, we peaked today at about 37. This wasn't anywhere near what it was in the foreign market, partial foreign market open last Sunday, though. Yeah, so all in all, it's looking pretty dim, lidded compared to that main event. Let's see what we got here on the Bitcoin versus Doge versus Ethereum and Solana. Of course, the other big assets we follow and track every night with the normies. And they're interested in pretty much nothing right now except for Bitcoin. Almost going flatlined over. A little bit of a rise there for XRP, but pretty much flatline across the board for all these other assets. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I just need to chill out. yeah. Do that. Just chill out.
So, just chill out.
Oh, my gosh.
Drink a 7-Up. Eat a moon pie. Quit murdering people.
Yes, don't do that. I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. Jacob Snake coming in with these dimes so fine, the rugs don't pull you out. What? You trying to sing a song there or what? What the hell? These dimes are so fine, even the rugs don't pull out. Yes, they are. They are definitely fine. They were so fine, they blow your mind. Hey Dylan. All right. Yes, Dylan has been killing it over there, guys. If you haven't been part, of course, of our Patreon, you're missing out. You're missing out. Don't bet the farm, but the assets we did bet on have been definitely panning out for you. Yeah, I do encourage you, if you don't know what you're doing in this rat race, to jump on over there and, of course, help you out as best we can with our crypto community. Yeah, and some of the coins that have been popping off, again, running down the list, Gwei, why are you so Gwei? Robo, Seeker, and Aztec. All doing close to about an average of 70% to the upside. One of them recently just popped off at 100. It was like, whoa. It was like, oh yeah, it was one of the ones that Gamma called. It was Fraser. So guys, don't miss out. We have a great community. Of course, it's going to be able to help you and get you through these tired times. If we continue the bear market, just don't freak out. Just don't freak out.
Just chill out.
Yes. All right. Let's do some predictions tonight and yeah, move on along. 72,600. We do have the Patreon live immediately after this show. If you guys, of course, aren't familiar, I go live every single night on a Monday, a Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, and of course, hanging out with you guys on the weekends. Yeah, and all you gotta do is jump over there and throw some. Yeah. Throw some love, of course, to Dylan over there with all the wins. Oh my god, guys. Bang. 72,600 on Bitcoin right now. Let's see where we are headed. The same thing we had this morning play out. Yet again. This morning from what we've seen in the past with all the non-Jane Street tie-ins, 72,600 on Bitcoin. Oh man, it's crazy that we're here. All right, so let's take a look at the order books and see what we have. I'm losing it. Oh shit. What are you guys doing in the chat? How you guys doing? Jacob Snake says Rome wasn't built in a day, but these prophets were. Oh damn, Jake. I love you, bud. I love you. Jake,
oh, hail the king of Ohio! Jake the Snake, the keeper of wrenches, the painter of lead pipes, the igniter of dumpster fires.
Jeez. All right. Let's get down to brass tacks. I am getting a little loopy. Okay. Let's zoom on in here and take a look. And see what we got. Oh, at the beginning of our show, we had just below 30 billion dollars in inflows today, but unfortunately, the volume has dropped down about 400 million. We are losing a little bit of the ground we had at the beginning of the show. So as of right now, a little bit of weakness, which is of course fine. Going into tomorrow, I'm sure we can make it through. All right. The foreign market's also been pretty lackluster here lately anyway. They've already missed out on that buying opportunity for that dip we just handed to them. They gave it back to us. And then now, we're pumping on their turf. And they might dump it. They might dump it, bring it back just a little bit. Possibly down to 71,700. More than likely, of course, I won't know until I I assemble the role of Instrument of Chaos. Let's go. We're going to do our Crypto Chaos magic again. Every single night we do this. And last night was actually a bit of an exception, actually. Just a quick little recap. If you guys didn't catch last night or this morning, we did predict baseline bear, but we woke up to this. We woke up to that quite a bit higher. Quite a bit higher than I originally anticipated. But yeah, we did. Yeah, that's one in the books for being off in such a long time. I love when days like this happen. I love when days like this happen because it's it rewards you for being so patient, man. So patient. And hopefully today will be beginning of the end of the bottom. All right. Thank you, Warm Moon. Thank you. Don't listen to me, guys. I'm a little off today. All right. Coming back down. Yes. I'll be coming back down to capitulate right now at 76,000 or 72,600. We can still come back down to the overall trend line and be fine. We're still no, actually we lost it a while ago. Never mind. We've been going sideways all day. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's pretty much gone. Yeah, so yeah, we can come back down here a little bit lower to possibly the top of our parallel channel again. Let's see if we can do something like this. Come back down. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm spacing out. I'm not doing my freaking chaos magic. Candle. The thing. Oh my god. I almost pissed off the gods. Alright, there it is, guys. I'd like the Bitcoin, of course, chaos candle. Place that on my altar, and we're gonna, of course, sacrifice some cash. Shit, I gotta go to the bank. Whoa. No. Here we go. A $5 bill. All right, $5 bill. I didn't think I was gonna find any. All right, yes, we're gonna send Lincoln up in flames, just like the log cabins. Oh my God. All right, and to thee I sacrifice a 5, and yes, we're going to do some crypto chaos magic. All right, I gotta get my ritual sticks in place. That's yeah, the 3, 12, and 9, and I don't need to explain those every time, do I? Every once in a while. All right, let's put those in place there. Damn it, I don't want to grab my parallel channel. Ugh. I'm going to grab it anyway. Damn it! Screw it. I am struggling, guys. I'm struggling. Oh, there we go. I got the damn things. Oh, let's put those in place. It's about 9 o'clock right there. Yep, 9 o'clock. And right now it is not even 9 o'clock. Wow, it's 8:48. Damn. All right. Okay, here we go again. Yeah, so Crypto Chaos Magic. Do your thing. Croc Payos. All right, let's go. Baseline target for Bitcoin. Let's send this down here to the bottom of this channel. Try to get back above. Maybe a break above here, right around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the AM, right? In the AM. We might see one push to there by 74K, probably flat. We're just gonna roll that over around 3 AM. Yep. And then right around here, we're at 4 o'clock in the morning now. Damn, I didn't reach all the way over there. Maybe we can start to attempt to flip that into support, but we might lose it, come back down to the bottom of the channel, and hopefully get into his sort of price action here in the morning and recover from that. That's gonna be our baseline target for Bitcoin tonight. There we go. And we're going to do, of course, the opposite. The bear case scenario for Bitcoin tonight. So get back down to about 70K. That'll be right around 12, maybe a little earlier than that. 11, 30, 12 o'clock. Let's see if we can try to reclaim a little bit more by 7. Yeah, by like 2 o'clock in the AM. And then, yeah, roll it on over around 3 AM. Bounce down here in the bottom of our channel, come back up for the morning. That's going to be our bear case scenario. I'm not going to go too crazy. Yeah, we're getting a bit too tight. I expanded on our ranges for, yeah, the war effort and everything. It's being ignored right now, I guess. all right. Let's get in our bull case scenario for Bitcoin tonight. Hopefully smashing back above there and hitting that 75K target. This is what some of us in the chat were talking about this morning. I think it was Booger Glider and I went back and forth a little bit on it about the 75K, or an area in which we backtested it, that they would be looking to maybe sell this off and do a similar thing like they've been doing over the weekends in a coordinated effort. That would be more than likely to happen probably around this particular zone. There's a lot of backtesting to 75K. All right, so anyway, that'll probably be as much as we get above. If we do see anything above that, maybe a trip to 76, 77. Right now it feels like Bitcoin's trading like a magnet towards that 80, 83,000 from the ACME gap. All right, so yeah, this is going to be our bull case scenario for tonight. And yeah, super bear, super bull. It's about time we get a super bull again. Come on. Super bull tard. Prediction. Let's get one of these to play out. Bear case scenario. Let's send the bear case scenario down to $65,000 Bitcoin. Let's send it all the way down to 55 before the morning. Yeah, of course, in super bear like fashion. We're gonna pretty much ignore this one and to just suggest it to the universe. Just hope it never happens. All right, and then yeah, we're going to 80,000 on our super bull case scenario. Maybe just kind of flipping that to support on super bull. I can't wait for one of those to play out again. It has been way too long, about 6 months. 6 months. Okay. All right. So this is what we're looking at tonight. I'm looking particularly at the baseline as pretty much usual. It is possible we do see a little bit more bullish pressure, but I don't think we're going to see too much until the morning. I was shocked or surprised or definitely shocked for one thing this morning. When it came to waking up and seeing Bitcoin in a bullish pennant, so that was fun. The bull flag breakout there this morning. But as of right now, I still feel like we're still a little bit more baseline bear for the foreign market. We'll be surprised if it happens again, though. It is still pretty early. This looks just like back here. If I actually back test it. Oh, I'm gonna eat my words again tomorrow. I bet I can find something similar again. What in the world? I clicked on the wrong tool. Should be the bars pattern. There we go. I put that on top of it in a particular way. Not really seeing anything that's. There we go. There it is. So yeah, I mean, we've seen this before, and that's exactly what we're looking at right now. It could be a lot more bullish than I'm giving it credit for. But I'm still gonna wait. I think there's still a little bit more pain they want to take to the upside, and that's fine, and downside both. We've reset the market at least down to support at 65,000, so I can't complain. But yeah, we'll wait and see how this works out in the morning. But I'm gonna stick with my guns. I'm gonna say baseline bear. But as I just showed you, man, psychology likes to play with your mind. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I got to get up set up for tonight's Patreon. I need a break. I'll tell you that. I'll need a break in between today. John Doe says, poet, don't know it. I don't know what the hell you're referring to. Probably something silly I said. John Doe says, all right, pump it up time, says John Doe. Let's pump it. oh my God, he's talking about that thing. Okay, all right. Everyone ignore John in the room. Oh shit. All right, guys. I gotta call it. It's been fun. Have a great night, and of course, if you're part of the Patreon, you can join us after the live is over on Patreon, and of course the link's in the description down below. It's only $15 a month to support the Chaos crew. All right, guys, I will see you on the other side here in about half hour. Yeah, about half hour at 9:30. 9:30 sharp. All right, sharp. Later.
Fly me to the moon, let me trade among the stars. Let me freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, hold Nike. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Do my world with your wrong and let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. I'm on board. Hollywood shop in the door. In other words, I should you. In other words, I love you.
Jeez. Ben Lawrence says dimes check, exits check, profits. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Later.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises. We've made the trade. The robots are rising. He's taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.
Bet.